Now, would you agree with the people that say today is the, we're in another tech bubble? You look at NVIDIA, you look at AMD, look at some of these chip manufacturers, some of the other parts of AI. Do you think we're in a tech bubble right this second?
No, I don't think we're in a tech bubble. I think that it's easy to make an argument that they're priced to perfection and perhaps they're a little bit escalated from a valuation standpoint, but people will always pay up for technology. They'll always pay up for innovation. That I don't know that I would count Kathy Woods out for the long term. There's definitely opportunities that will be life changing. And when you mentioned the companies that you did, there's justification for the massive run because you're beating your earnings by 200%, and increasing them at that type of rate is you know somewhat unprecedented, but it does allow for the valuations to go up. So if you look at NVIDIA specifically, and it's not a company we own, we really stick to dividend paying companies, like think very boring blue chip. But the valuation on NVIDIA, the multiple is, many could argue, it's a lot cheaper here today than it was a year and a half ago. Now, can they continue to do 200% beats on earnings? That remains to be seen. But so far, that's the difference between a true bubble and what we saw with the meme stocks, as you mentioned earlier, versus what we're seeing with megatech now, because the enthusiasm behind I think is legitimate. We don't know who the winners will be. We don't know where it's going to shake out, but you can be very confident in the fact that when NVIDIA is making a chip and selling it for that exorbitant price, that those earnings are real. It's not some speculation based on a philosophical idea down the road.